My name's Jordan Belfort. No, not him. Me. I'm a former member of the middle class raised by two accountants in a tiny apartment in Bayside, Queens. Enough of this shit'll make you invisible, able to conquer the world and eviscerate your enemies. I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about this. Money is the oxygen of capitalism, and I wanna breathe more than any other human being alive. Fuck the money. Money doesn't just buy you a better life, better food, better cars, better pussy. It also makes you a better person. You can give generously to the church of your choice or the political party. You can save the fucking spotted owl with money. Come on. Oh. High is the only way to do this fucking job. Cocaine and hookers, my friend. The keys to success. Fuck the clients, just as long as we got our taste first. Remember something, Jordan. Your top priority in this job make us money. If the clients got rich along the way, bully for them. You got a girlfriend? Yes? Okay, Jordan. First rule on Wall Street. Nobody, and I don't care if you Warren Buffett or Jimmy Buffett, nobody knows if a stock's going up, down, or fucking sideways. List of all stock brokers. But we have to pretend we know. Make sure you stay relaxed. Because nobody wants to buy something from someone who sounds like they haven't gotten life in a month. Take breaks when you feel stressed. Jack off, if you can. You like jacking off, right? I will recommend cocaine, which will make you die faster, which is good for me. Charge and embark, baby.